Just got the call. They're surf out. It's gonna be. We're gonna see what it is, but I gotta go change clothes because I'm in the wrong outfit because it's a little cool today. So we're gonna go throw on some shorts, grab camera gear, and go see what we can get. We haven't had a chance to eat lunch yet, or I haven't. So we're gonna go get something. Beachside Big Shot cinnamon roll for the win, and I'm probably out of lip balm, so. Yeah, there goes Pat.
Yeah, look, and like this at the beer. There you go.
Yeah.
The wind's all like on.
Yeah.
Well, it looks cleaner than it did 5 minutes ago when I got